Hi, I'm Mark with Fluke Networks, and I'm here to tell you about the LinkIQ Cable plus Wi-Fi plus Network Tester. Now the LinkIQ comes in two variations. There's the original LinkIQ, which has cable plus network testing, and then there's the LinkIQ Duo, which has all of the same features of the LinkIQ, but also adds Wi-Fi testing. Now if you purchase a LinkIQ, it comes with a set of accessories which make it easy to use. A nice carrying case, a strap that allows you to hang it, say if you're working in a wiring closet, or you can use it to carry the product, a charger so you can charge the rechargeable battery, the RJ45 patch cord, this universal adapter with an RJ45 jack on each end, and finally the remote ID for cable testing. This allows you to test the cable and also determine which cable you're attached to at the far end. Now we also sell the LinkIQ in a couple of different kits. The first one is the LinkIQ kit, or the LinkIQ Duo kit, which includes the IntelliTone probe, which can be used with the toner that's built into the LinkIQ, and then also a complete set of remote IDs number 2 through 7, so you can figure out where those cables go by plugging them into different places and then reading which one you're attached to in the LinkIQ. And finally, for our industrial customers, we have the LinkIQ IE kits. And these include a number of different patch cords to connect to different types of industrial cables, as well as this remote unit, which connects to 3 different types of industrial cables, plus an RJ45. Now, if you buy either one of these 2 kits, you'll get this great carrying case to carry all these extra parts in. No matter which version of LinkIQ you buy, it is important to remember to register it. That way we can get back to you and let you know if there's new features or new software that's been introduced for the product. Now let's talk about how you'll want to set up your LinkIQ before you use it. For that, you'll go to Settings. Under Settings, the first thing is Auto Increment. What that does is set up the name or the ID of the auto test results when you store it. It's probably easiest to show that in an example. Well, let's say I'm going to run a cable test. And when I'm done, I want to save the results. When I hit the Save As button, the test ID comes up here. And notice the last 3 digits are 045. Since I've got auto increment on, that means the last test I saved had the last 4 digits of 044, and the next test I save will be 046. So let's hit OK and we'll save that, and let's go back to Settings. The next thing I can set up under Settings is for the network, for either IPv4 addressing or IPv6 addressing. And in both cases, I can either set up a static address and enter all the addresses manually, or use DHCP and let the network tell me what those addresses should be. Next, I can set up a ping target, which applies to both the network and the Wi-Fi tests. And in this case, you can see I just type it in like this with the keyboard. I can also set the discovery protocol timeouts. That just determines how long the tester will wait until it gets a CDP packet from the switch before stopping the test. If you don't want to wait very long, you can set it to 5 seconds, but sometimes it takes switches longer. It just depends if that information is important to you or not. I can set the brightness. I can set whether the unit should shut off. Do you want the unit to shut off after 5 minutes automatically or not? Sound, do you like clicking or beeping? Numbers, and I can set either using decimals or commas in my numbers. Also, I can set units in feet or meters. That's for measuring the lengths of cables. I can set my date and time in here. The language, we support a number of different languages, as you can see here. And finally, About. The About button pulls up all of the information about your LinkIQ, including the serial number and the software version. This is important information in case you call in for technical support. And the Factory Reset button allows you to delete all the results and set the unit back to its original factory settings.